The first one I'll go through is Kenyon Ellison. He couldn't make it today. He's a second shift, part-time, probably college is kicking or something, but he's, I think he actually works tonight, the second shift. But anyways, I'll read what Matt Kessel from Surveillance, he's a surveillance manager, wrote about Kenyon. He said, on the evening of July 22nd, a guest was having trouble at the outdoor concert. The guest appeared to be a possible high intox and was stumbling around. Kenyon was on the scene and went above and beyond what was necessary. Kenyon could have waited for a wheelchair to wheel the patron into the resort, but that could have taken a while. Instead, Kenyon put his guest's arms around his shoulders and escorted the guest to the front of the resort. Kenyon basically carried a guest from the outdoor concert area through the casino at the front doors. Now that's assisting a guest. Thanks, Kenyon. I want to mention Kenyon's, it was probably an easy task for him. He's a wrestler for CMU, so he's a pretty good-sized lad. So I want to thank him.